In this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft for free on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the search bar at the bottom right and type in Minecraft. You'll see a bunch of results related to the game. At first glance, you'll notice the full version of Minecraft costs around €7.99. But don't worry. If you search for Minecraft Trial, you'll find a free version of Minecraft. This version lets you try out Minecraft completely free for a limited time. Just tap Install, and the download will begin right away. Depending on your internet connection, it should only take a few minutes. Once it's done installing, you'll see a Play button. That's it! You're now ready to start playing Minecraft for free. The trial version gives you access to survival mode, so you can get a good feel for the game. However, keep in mind that it doesn't include creative mode or multiplayer. Those features are only available in the full version. And that's how you can download and play Minecraft for free on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day!